In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're scheduling a quick team check-in or setting up an impromptu gathering, creating a meeting link is a simple, straightforward process that will make your work life easier. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Teams desktop or web application. Take a look at the leftmost sidebar, which houses your main navigation tools. Here, you'll find various tabs that help you manage your workflow and communication within Teams. What we're looking for today is the Meet icon or tab. This is your gateway to scheduling and managing meetings efficiently. Click on the Meet tab, and you'll be transported to a screen where all your meeting-related tasks can be handled. Once you're in the Meet view, you should notice an option to create a meeting link. This is usually marked as Create a Meeting Link, or might be displayed as a similar button. It's designed to be intuitive to find and use, ensuring you spend less time figuring out logistics and more time getting ready for your meeting. Next up is giving your meeting link a title. A pop-up window or interface will appear, prompting you to enter a title. Here, it's a good idea to provide a descriptive name for your meeting. Think about what makes the most sense for the participants who will receive the link. You might title it something like Weekly Check-in Link, if it's part of a recurring schedule, or Ad Hoc Chat, if it's a spontaneous get-together. Giving your meeting a clear title helps everyone stay on the same page and understand the purpose of the meeting right away. After you've input the title, the system will automatically generate your unique meeting link. This important piece of information is usually displayed prominently under a section labeled Meeting Links. Here, you'll find options to Copy Link or Share Link. By selecting Copy Link, you ensure that it's saved to your clipboard, ready to be shared wherever and whenever you need. Now, the final step involves distributing that link to your intended participants. You can choose from several methods to share this, such as through email, chat, or any communication platform you prefer. The beauty of Microsoft Teams meeting links is that they don't require your participants to have a Teams account, making accessibility seamless for everyone involved. And there you have it, a fully generated meeting link that can bring colleagues together, regardless of where they are in the world. By following these simple steps, you've not only mastered the creation of a meeting link, but have also gained the ability to streamline collaboration within your team. Happy meeting! And I hope this video helps make your Microsoft Teams experience just a little bit smoother.